Okay, find the missing length of the triangles in each pair are similar. Okay, so what you have to know is you have to know what the word similar means. Okay, what does it mean for them to be similar? Okay, we did similar already, and this is a condition for similar. Okay, corresponding angles are congruent. Remember, corresponding angles means that they're in the same position. So, for example, angle R is congruent to angle G. So R, for one tick mark, is congruent to angle G. That means they're corresponding, they're in the same position, okay? In this case, the triangles are not oriented in the same direction, okay? Now, angle S is congruent to angle F. Angle S, put two tick marks, congruent to angle F, two tick marks. And angle T congruent to angle E, three tick marks, T to E. Okay, so we know corresponding angles are congruent, and then the lengths of corresponding sides are proportional. Proportional means you can do this. There are three sides, so you need three fractions. Now what you do is the first two letters, RS, and then the first letters on here will be GF, okay? The thing is you have to keep in the same way. The first triangle goes on top, the second one goes on the bottom. On the homework, so the mistakes some of you are making is you switch them, okay? They have to be the same all the way through. Now the second two letters from the first triangle correspond to the second two letters of the second triangle, FE. Now the first and last letter, RT, correspond to the first and last two letters, GE. Okay, and this was gonna help me solve the problem because they gave me the sides or they're looking for the side. Okay, so what you do is RS means what is the length from R to S? What is the length from here to here? That'll be 117. GF means what is the length from G to F? G to F will be 65. Now what is the length of ST? ST is 108. Now what is the length of FE? FE is question mark. Now what is the length of RT? We don't know it and there's no question mark, so we leave that as RT. What is the, now GE means what is the length of GE? GE, we don't know it either. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna focus mainly on this part of the problem, okay? Because the last ratio, I don't know nothing about it, okay? Once you do that is you cross multiply and put the answer right here. So that'll be 117 multiplied by question mark. Cross multiply these and put the answer right here. That'll be 65 multiplied by 108. Now, if you want to multiply that, you may do so, but you're going to get a very big number. So what I recommend instead of doing that is get the question mark by itself, 117. Do that to the other side. These will cancel. So the answer will be question mark by itself. Now what I recommend is take these numbers, 65, 108, and 117 and factor them. Okay, factors of 65. Remember I gave you times tables, so the way you do it is look for 65 anywhere in here. Here it is, 65. Look straight up. So 5 will be a factor, and that's prime, and the other factor will be 13, and they're both prime. So 5 and 13. So I go here, and the factors will be 5 and 13, and those two numbers are prime. Now 108 is your table. Look for the number 108. So here's 100. There's 108. Look straight up, and the number 6 is not prime. Look to the left, and the number 18 is not prime. So go here. You see the factors are 6 and 18, and they're not prime. That means they can be factored again. Factor of 6 will be 2 and 3. Factors of 18 will be 9 and 2. 2's are prime, and 3 is prime. That means it cannot be factored anymore. Factors of 9 will be 3 times 3, and they're prime. Now factors of 117, use your table. Look for 117 somewhere in your table. Now let me look for 117, 110, 108, not here. Here it is. Look straight up, and 9 will be a factor, and it's not prime. And 13, it is prime. So go back to our problem. So it's 9 and 13. So the factors will be 9 and 13. And 13 is prime. Factors of 9 will be 3 times 3. And they're both prime. So what I'm going to do is do the following. Instead of putting 65 up to the factor of 65, give me 5 and 13. Now factors of 108, he gave me 2, 3, 3, 3, 2. So that's 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 2. Now factors of 117, he gave me 3, 3, and 13. Okay, now we have the same value on top of the bottom. You can cancel it. I can cancel 3. I can cancel second 3. I can cancel 13 with 13. So all you have is the question mark will be 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. 30 times 2 will be 60. And that is the answer. Okay. So class, if you use your factoring, your times tables, factoring would not be that complicated. Okay. So that's how you do it. Now you're ready for the assignments. Okay. So once again, this was problem number 1 on your homework. Okay. Get started with the assignment. Thank you.